Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear your search history on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to clear your search history on TikTok, first launch the app on your mobile device. Next, once you're in the app, tap on the search button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And here you'll see my recently searched items. So I've searched for subscribe now, tips for noobs, and hello. And if I wanted to delete these one by one, all I need to do is tap on the X at the side of the screen on each of these lines. But if I want to clear all of them, all I need to do is tap on see more, and then tap on clear all. And then it says all your search history will be deleted and it can't be recovered. So if you want to go ahead and clear your search history, tap on clear. That's all it takes to clear your search history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.